Upgrading the grease guns used at your facility is a simple, cost-effective way to enhance reliability. It's been estimated that 60 to 80% of bearing failures are lubricant-related. Cross-contamination, for example, can happen when a maintenance technician puts the wrong grease into a piece of equipment or mixes two greases that are not compatible. Traditional grease guns do not allow technicians to see what's inside, making it far too easy to grab the wrong grease gun or make one of these mistakes, which could then lead to costly, time-consuming equipment breakdowns. As a solution to this problem, LE offers our Xport Clear Grease Guns. These innovative reliability tools have enabled industrial operations worldwide to eliminate greasing mistakes. They allow 100% visual identification of the grease inside, which eliminates grease cross-contamination and enhances existing reliability programs. Xport Clear Grease Guns are rugged and durable for dependable, long-time use in a wide variety of facilities. They come in three main types: pistol grip, lever style, and battery-powered. All three are made for heavy industrial use. A whip hose or steel pipe extension can be selected to come standard with the pistol and lever-style grease guns, so there's no need for separate purchase. An extra long whip hose comes standard with the battery-style gun. The tubes are capable of withstanding heavy use and high temperatures. They're made of high-impact, fracture-resistant polycarbonate. The tubes can be purchased with LE's grease guns or can be purchased separately to fit many standard grease guns. The Clear Tube's durable, rust-resistant collars are constructed of aircraft aluminum. They come in a variety of colors, perfect when a secondary method of identification is required, such as lubricant type, application, or department. Available collar colors include silver, gold, purple, blue, black, red, and green. LE's Xport Lock-On Grease Coupler is an optional accessory for one of our Clear Grease Guns that makes greasing tasks easy, clean, safe, and fast. It's a durable device made of carbon and stainless steel components that eases coupling and uncoupling of grease fittings and ensures a proper seal between fitting and pump. Clear Grease Guns from lubrication engineers are a simple, cost-effective solution for eliminating cross-contamination and clearing up greasing mistakes in your facility. Visit www.lelubricants.com today for more information or to place an order.